Small animals like raccoons can wander onto your property in search of food, water, and shelter. Raccoons are known to damage gardens, tear off shingles, knock over trash bins, and they can even transfer diseases if they come in contact with people or pets. In this video, we'll go over how to identify raccoon activity, how to control activity on your property, and how to prevent raccoon activity in the future. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first step in any pest control plan is to identify the problem. Careless identification can lead to the wrong treatment methods, which can cost time and money. Raccoons have a distinct look and are easily identified by their gray fur, striped tail, and their facial fur resembling an eye mask. An adult raccoon typically stands 12 inches tall and is 24 to 38 inches long. If you're unable to personally spot any raccoons, try looking for their droppings. Raccoon droppings look similar to dog droppings, tubular in shape with blunted ends. Raccoon droppings typically contain bits of undigested food like berries or nuts. Finally, look for tracks in mud, sand, dust, or other surfaces. Both the forepaws and hindpaws feature 5 digits, and the hindpaws have elongated heels. The forepaws are typically 1 to 2.5 inches in width and length, and the hindpaws can be up to 4 inches long. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Raccoons are likely on your property looking for food, water, and shelter. Outdoors, check gardens for chewed or eaten plants, droppings, or tracks, and check dumpsters or trash bins for signs of rummaging. Raccoons have a particular attraction to sweets, though they'll eat anything, and they will also eat pet food, birdseed, or animal feed if left out. If raccoons have nested inside of a structure, inspect the perimeter for possible entry points. Raccoons will nest in attics or basements. Scan boxes and electrical wiring for gnaw marks or other damage. Other signs of activity you should look for include latrine sites. Raccoons create waste in consistent spots. Outdoors, these spots are at the bases of trees or on raised areas like stumps or large rocks. On a residential yard, these sites can also appear on wood piles, under decks, or along fences. If you've found a latrine site, know that a raccoon nest is nearby. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE. You'll need gloves especially to prevent leaving your scent on any traps, which may dissuade animals from approaching. The first step to controlling animals on your property is to remove food sources. Any food left out will compete with any bait you may be using. Ensure garbage bins and dumpsters close properly. Do not leave pet food or birdseed out overnight. Sweep up any fallen fruits or seeds, and consider fencing away or moving fruit or vegetable plants. Raccoons are capable climbers, so you may want a complete enclosure. In addition to removing food, we also recommend you prune or trim away overgrown foliage and tree branches, keep your grass trim, and cover any small bodies of water such as pools or ponds. Keeping foliage trim will reduce hiding spots, and covering water sources limits the raccoon's access. Once your property has been cleaned, set up a Solutions Humane live animal trap. This weather-resistant metal box trap provides a safe and humane alternative to lethal animal control products. When activated, this trap shuts quickly and tightly, ensuring no harm comes to the animal. For the best success rate, proper placement is key. The most effective spot for your live trap is where you've seen animal activity. It's important this spot is also in regular shade and not in constant sunlight, as an animal can die from overexposure if left in the sun too long without a way to escape. Place your trap along the edge of your property or close to any food or water sources away from human or pet activity. Physical boundaries like fence lines and garden edging make great placement guides, so place your live trap in these areas lengthwise against the perimeter. Inside structures like in an attic or basement, set the trap against the wall close to raccoon activity. Indoors or outdoors, we recommend you place a weight on top of the trap to hold it in place and stop animals or weather from knocking it over. To increase the likelihood of catching your target, we recommend you pre-bait the trap. This involves setting bait but not rigging the trap to shut. This allows animals to get used to the trap's presence and view it as a food source. Depending on the urgency, you can bait traps for several days to 2 weeks, but keep in mind that a failed capture can lose the animal's trust quickly. Open the trap, but tie the door to the cage to prevent it from closing. Set bait behind the trap's pressure plate in a manner that is inaccessible to animals unless they come inside the trap. Check the trap once a day to replenish bait. Over time, the animal will become accustomed to the trap, then you can rig it to shut. Hold the door steady, remove the tie, and pull the metal arm forward so it catches the door and arms the trap. It may take several days to catch the raccoon, so monitor the trap twice a day until the animal is caught. Once the raccoon is caught, place a towel over the live trap to prevent scaring it any further. In states where animal relocation is prohibited, immediately contact animal control for further instructions. In a state where you are able to transport wild animals, do not leave an animal trapped for more than 24 hours. Travel to your release location, place the trap on the ground facing away from you, and open the trap to release the animal. Always consult animal control for local laws regarding proper animal relocation. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after controlling pests, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Ensure no more food is accessible outdoors. Double-check trash bins to make sure they seal properly, and avoid feeding pets outside. If raccoons have nested inside structures, check the foundation and roof for possible entry points. Large openings and ventilation may need to be reinforced with heavy-duty wire mesh. To further deter raccoons, apply Animal Stopper Granular Repellent. Animal Stopper is an effective, long-lasting repellent that will work to keep small animals away from treated areas. Animal Stopper works by smell, taste, and touch to provide harmless and humane animal control. Flip the container's tab open and shake the product over areas you wish to protect. When using a spreader, be sure to set an even pace to apply your product evenly. When using near plants or crops grown for consumption, apply this product as a perimeter application. Animal Stopper Granular Repellent is biodegradable and will control treated areas for up to 30 days, leaving no trace of damage to plants or unpleasant odors. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop raccoons from invading your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.